I've been trying to decorate with things that actually last instead of constantly buying fresh flowers or using fake plants that don't look realistic. So when this vase was sent to me for my feedback, I knew exactly how I wanted to style it. I like that this vase feels solid and high quality. It's not super lightweight or flimsy, and the opening is wide enough for fuller arrangements like pampas grass, eucalyptus, fresh flowers, or even seasonal stems. It has this slightly rustic farmhouse vibe with terracotta and ceramic finish. So it works really well with neutral home decor. And I love that it's such a versatile piece, and it's just instantly makes your table or countertop look more styled. So I ended up pairing the vase with dried eucalyptus stems that used to be fresh, and I love the look even more now that they've dried. They still have this light natural scent, and it gives the space this cozy organic feel. Lately, I've been trying to simplify decor and use pieces that can work year-round instead of constantly switching everything out. And this kind of vase makes that really easy.